I'm having tough time with this washer, so I have chosen again different washer, because what is happening that this washer is not going inside, so should go inside. So this is going inside. So what I'm doing is like I've taken different washer. Why do we need this? Because if there is no tension on the filter, then oil will not get filtered properly. So this washer has to be there. In fact, each and every washer is very much important in the bike. Don't change the anatomy or the design, which may lead to any damages. Now we have a this one filter which is inside. I'll just shift some oil temporarily. I'll just shift some oil, so I can remove the oil filter from the beaker or the measuring can. This is a good oil, so don't throw that. Okay, so we'll just keep it aside. Now it's completely wet, as you can see, so just put it inside. Then after the filter, this collar washer is gonna be there, which is a seal basically for the, and then this cloth or cotton or the felt washer, then this washer, this plain metal washer. This is the sequence. Okay, it's gone inside. Press the filter properly inside if it is tight. Then this spring and this one. Now since this packing was broken, so I made the packing out of Teflon tape, which will not leak anything. So this spring has to be fitted like this way. Those two washers, the fiber washer is gonna be first. This is the sequence, and then the metal, and then the cap, the nut. So just hold it by your hand. Okay, so we are done. Now it is just tightening. Different types of caps available from the company side itself because of the implementation. So check your model and go according to that only. You may have different diameter oil caps, oil filter caps, so don't fix up the wrong one. Because of the implementation, they have changed the design of the cap or the timing cover. Remember one thing, every standard 350 is different according to the year, so do not fix wrong spare part, or don't try to arrange the spare part such a way that it will fix up. It may cause the problem. The dimensions has been changed by the company because of some reason, so don't change it. Now we'll fix up the header, because since we have remove it was loose. Okay, we'll have to hold up from that side. Okay, the spanner is wrong, that means I'll have to use something else. Okay, let's try. Maybe 22. Okay, tight. Then tightening of silencer from this side. The head pipe, basically the header is a different header. Original header is different. There are types in the headers as well. One was having catcon, one was having hot tube, one was empty. So types of headers were available. Hot tube was such kind of a construction that it was a PIP. That means it was pipe in pipe. So there were two pipe, one pipe inside the main header pipe. Make it tight. Now we are in a position to pour engine oil, but we will calculate and will pour, because you don't want to fill up over, which may cause blow by. The blow by subject is also coming, which is very much essential. It is there in every engine if there is a damage, so you must understand this blow by terminology. Okay, so we are done with this. We have fitted the we have fitted everything, so nothing is loose, only horn. That I will do it later on. So I'm just going to take some this engine oil again in the beaker. Going to calculate how much it is less, because the oil filter must have soaked up some few ml, maybe 50 or 100. Yes, my judgment was correct. So 50 ml is less in this. So let's just fill up 50 ml. I'm going to put pour other only 2 liter in this bike, and later on after riding I will recheck the level once the engine is on, and then once the engine is again cold, then I will refill everything. But till the time I'm not going to fill up extra, which may cause problem while riding. It should not come out of the bigger pipe, should not damage the okay, my funnel is over there. I was just looking for my funnel. Okay, so let's just fill up engine oil. I hope you guys can see. There's a funnel. Let's pour some oil. Make sure all the drain plugs are filled, fitted properly. I'm sorry. This can be done by our automated machine that will be shown very later on. We have special dispensers for this. In this, this is a manual work what we are doing, but we have special machines for filling the engine oil, and I'll show you later on, because we have some space problems, so that is the reason that those machines are inside right now. Okay. So fill up total 2 liter and then start the bike. Keep the bike on for some time, let the engine oil circulate everywhere, then let it be cold, and then recheck the oil level. And this is how you have done the oil replacement of standard engine. This is applicable only for standard cast iron 350 engine, 500, 535, 500 city bike, then the campus deluxe, normal standard, and one more bike was there, lightning 535. So the oil, the changing of or the replacement of oil is like this way. Don't forget to use the proper replacement procedure. If you do that, then it may cause problem. So thanks for watching and have a great day.